And hello to you from Molineux here in the English West Midlands. My name is Derek Ray. With me in the commentary box is Arsenal legend Lee Dixon. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers taking on Chelsea.
Well, thank you, Derek. All the talking is done. Time now to put the coach's plans into action. Let's hope both teams really have a go at each other from the start of this match. It should be a cracker.
Adama. I don't think the goalkeeper will be complaining about poor finishing like that, Lee.
No, it's not about the goalkeeper. It's about that poor effort. That really is awful.
Tremendously strong in the tackle. Good-looking move, this. Well, just over the crossbar. Excellent effort. The initial 11 for Wolves. Rui Patricio begins in goal. Johnny starts with Nelson Semedo in the wide defensive areas. And Raúl Jiménez is up front. Jiménez. Well, big news. A penalty has been awarded in one of the other games. Alan McInally.
It's a penalty for Liverpool. He's put the ball down on the spot. He steps up to take it. Oh, brilliant strike down the right-hand side of the goalkeeper. He hardly moved. 11 minutes played, 1-0.
Thanks, Alan. Free kick to Chelsea. Well, Chelsea have scored more goals than any side in the league. It's a wonderful... He's in with a chance. Well, that is a moment he would like to airbrush from history.
Well, he's had an absolute nightmare there. The goal's in front of him. Just hit it.
And a goal has gone in the West Ham game. Alan McInally can tell us more.
It's a goal for West Ham United. 19 minutes played, 1-0.
Thank you, Alan McInally. Harvey Barnes. Can they hit on the break? And he's through here. Crossed accurately towards the far post. Well, he's given a corner, the referee. What about the opportunity from earlier? Let's have another look now, shall we? Played into the centre of the box. Another corner. And firing it into the area. Just couldn't capitalise there. Ruben Neves. Van Aken. And a goal has been scored in the Southampton game. Let's hear about it from Alan McInally.
It's a goal for Leeds United. 24 minutes played, 1-0.
Regular updates from Alan McInally along the way. Neves. Masterful piece of foiling. And the counter looks on here. Options available. And now passing it through. And he's found a bit of daylight. And there it is, the opening goal, 1-0, and they'll feel they deserve it.
Well, here's the replay, and as we see, it's a class ball through to split the defence. And because he's on his own, he collects himself, and he finishes it perfectly past the keeper.
So the action continues and work to do for Wolves. Let's see if that goal has shaken them up. Raúl Jiménez. Still behind, but the pressure mounting. And he might be through here. Oh, he's missed it!
Oh, goal behind, Derek, and he's missed. It's a big miss. Chelsea are really struggling in terms of possession, but they won't mind. They're winning this game. And why? Because they're counter-attack.
Oh, big chance! Will he? In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion, and looking very comfortable here.
Well, it is good play. You might question the defending, but I prefer to be positive. Really good build-up and an easy finish.
So 2-0 now. Ruben Neves. There's been a goal in the Fulham match, I'm hearing. Alan McInally can tell us more.
It's a goal for Leicester City. It's been scored by Anthony Martial. He'll be claiming this one as his. He did well to beat a couple of defenders in firing his shot. It was on target before the deflection, so surely it's his. 42 minutes played, 1-0.
Alan McInally with his finger on the pulse. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Neves. And it's a quality pass. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. And that is officially the end of the first half. It's so far so good for Chelsea. They find themselves in front, Lee.
Well, we know how good that...
So back in business here, and Chelsea dominating the proceedings in the first half of this game. Will we see a similar pattern in the second 45? Well, the attack carried promise, but petered out. Well, he could really get at the opposition. Well, he dealt with that ball played in rather well. Considerable transfer speculation in recent times, and now it has emerged, Lee, that Manchester United have got their man.
Well, I think everybody will be excited by this transfer. He's a real star turn, a proper player. I'd love to have played with him.
Werner. And Chelsea could be onto something. Mateo Kovacic in the centre. High degree of difficulty to hit it on the volley like that, and it was close.
Well, it's all about timing. You've got to wait for the ball to come down, and he's very, very unlucky.
And news of a goal in the West Brom game. Alan?
It's a second goal for Liverpool. 57 minutes played, 2-0.
Many thanks, Alan. Credit to them for winning back possession. Ziyech. Now here's Johnny. Jimenez. Oh, Hans van Aken! And he thwarted the attack with a masterful tackle. Don't forget, real chance. Well, what an opportunity, but really good defending, you've got to say. Oh, just mistimed his run, and the flag going up.
Wolves are really controlling possession, but after that it's been disappointing. I'd like to see them use those wide areas around the defence, get round them as opposed to trying to go through the middle.
James. Mateo Kovacic. A goal has been scored in the Fulham game. Alan McInally can tell us a bit more.
It's a second goal for Leicester City. 65 minutes played, 2-0.
Thank you, Alan McInally. Dendoncker. And they need to get tighter here. High quality defending. Now can they counter clinically? Oh, good vision. Just needs to stay calm. Another goal! And surely there's no way they can throw this away. Absolutely dominant.
Well, let's look at this again. Magical football on the break. Surprise is the key. And because he's on his own, he collects himself and he finishes it perfectly past the keeper.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Good tackle. Breaking at pace. He's in with a chance. It has to be, surely. Oh, it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that. Just a quick reminder, we have more action from the Premier League coming your way. It's Chelsea facing Arsenal.
Yeah, really looking forward to it. Always a great atmosphere in that stadium. It should be a really entertaining match.
James. Chance to play it in. Can he put it away? Still a chance. Well, they survived the attack. Cody. Only 10 minutes remaining here. Oh, big chance. Still alive. His third goal of the match, and you cannot argue with that.
Well, he's tearing this defence apart. They can't cope with him. Well, as we see this again, Derek, it's easy to be critical, and I'll stress I've never been a goalkeeper, but surely he's got to do better than that. His mistake leads to the goal, no doubt about it.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. No real conviction in the challenge. Beautifully timed. Inside the final 5 minutes now. Chances on. It's got to be. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of their performance.
Well, here's the replay. Super fast counter-attack football at its best. And then from there, the keeper had little chance. 2-on-1, left completely exposed, and it made for a simple finish in the end.
Oh, my goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. Oh, he's through here. Not far away at all with the volley.
Well, to catch it like that, you've got to have really good technique, and oh, so close.
So the final whistle now, it goes down as a victory for Chelsea, to the delight of their fans around the world, Lee.
Well, being potent up front gives you a great chance in any game, and there was certainly that today. Sharp, clinical and exciting.